Alright, I hope you ignore that little smudge on the bottom. My phone is cracked. I dropped it for the first time and it smashed the, you know how the front glass is all smashed? But anyhow, I'm here at the Hard Rock Hollywood Hotel at their outdoor spa on this volcano mountain thingy here in the center of the pool. And wanted to share with you what it's like out here. Basically, it's a hot tub. I don't know if you can see that. It is a hot tub, and it's connected to this waterfall, which you can sit under it, and it literally massages you. How's that for cool? But anyhow, I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this and relax a little bit, and then check out and go on to the Dulce Hotel, which is across the street, to check out their amenities and see what they have to offer. And then later tonight, free Weezer concert.